In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do non-preemptive priority algorithm. Now, this is our table, which contains process ID, arrival time, burst time, and of course, the priority table. Now, before you go to the Gantt chart, you first determine the highest and the lowest time burst, which is the first time burst we're gonna prioritize. And since letter A has the largest or the highest time burst, letter A is gonna be the first in our Gantt chart. Letter A, which contains of 12. Second, since letter B has the second highest burst time and second highest also in the priority, we will go next the letter B. This is 1, 2, and to add in the Gantt chart, you will add the burst time value, which is 7 plus 7, with a total of 19. Third, since they have the same burst time and they have the same priority, you will consider which has the lowest time burst. So here, in C, D, and E, letter E has the lowest time burst. So this is the number 3. This is letter E. And you will gonna add 2. Now, this is letter E. And you will gonna add 2. Our total is 21. Now, the next one. Here in D and C, since they have the same burst time but different priority, you will consider here the lowest number of the priority, which is letter C. And the highest priority of these two is letter D. So our next in our Gantt chart is letter D plus 3 is equal to 24. Now, lastly, letter C, which containing the lowest time burst and priority here. So this is number 5. And we will add 3. C plus 3. The total is 27. Now let's check if it is correct. To determine our Gantt chart is correct, you will add the burst time. So 12 plus 7 is 19, plus 3, 22, plus 3, 25, and plus 2, 27. So it is correct. Now, the next process of our algorithm is to compute the waiting time and the turnaround time. The formula of computing the waiting time is the Gantt chart value minus the arrival time. Now, the Gantt chart value is 0, 12, 19, 21, and 24. And the arrival time value is 0, 4, 12, 9, and 7. Here is the result. 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 19 minus 12 is equal to 7. 21 minus 9 is equal to 12. And 24 minus 7 is equal to 17. Now, you have to add this value. 0 plus 8 plus 7 plus 12 plus 17 is equals to 44. And we will divide it into 5, which is the number of our row. Divided into 5. And the answer is 8.8 milliseconds. Next, we're going to our turnaround. In turnaround, same process. Gantt chart value minus the arrival time value. But the difference here is in computing the turnaround, we will not gonna start into 0. We just start here in the value of A automatically. Unlike the waiting time, we will start into 0 here to the letter D only, because A, B, E, and D contains the 5 numbers. Next, 12 minus 0 is equals to 12. 19 minus 4 is equals to 15. 21 minus 12 is equals to 9. And 24 minus 9 is equal to 15. And 27 minus 7 is equal to 7. Again, add those values. It is equals to 71. And divide it into 5 is equals to 14.2. And now, that's it. That's how we compute the non-preemptive priority algorithm. Thank you.